Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Apple Card user looking to manage your purchases more easily, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to pay your Apple Card in installments. This feature is super handy for spreading out the cost of bigger buys, potentially interest-free. Let's dive in. First off, what's the Apple Card? It's Apple's very own credit card, seamlessly integrated with your iPhone via the Wallet app. One of its standout perks is the installment option, which lets you divide eligible purchases into smaller, monthly payments. This can help with budgeting and avoiding a big upfront hit to your wallet. To get started, make sure you have the latest iOS version in your Apple Card set up. Here's the step-by-step guide. 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the wallet icon. 2. Tap on your Apple Card to view your account. 3. Look for a recent purchase in your transaction history or go to the Payments and Activity section. 4. If the purchase qualifies for installments, think items over a certain amount, you'll see an Installments option. Tap on it. 5. Select your preferred plan, like 3, 6, or 12 months. Apple often offers no interest options, but double-check for any fees. 6. Review the details, including the monthly amount and total cost, then confirm your choice. Once you do this, your payment will be automatically split into those installments. It's that straightforward. A few tips to keep in mind. Not every purchase is eligible, so check the Apple Card terms. Always pay on time to avoid late fees, and keep an eye on your statements in the app. If you're new to the Apple Card, it's worth exploring other features like daily cash rewards. There you have it. Managing your Apple Card payments in installments is easy and can make your finances a bit smoother. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.